maths class, we'll do subtraction. Children, first of all, let's try to understand what is subtraction. Subtraction means taking one number away from another. Means minus. So let's write, first of all, we'll write definition of subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking one number away from another. And what is the sign of subtraction, children? As this is the sign of subtraction. Sign of subtraction. Now let's try to understand subtraction with the help of example. First of all, we'll write TO. O means ones and T means tens. Suppose there is a boy named Sarang. Sarang has 5 balls. How many balls? 5 balls. And he has given 2 balls to his friend. So how many balls are left with Sarang? So how will you do? How will you solve this problem? Sarang has 5 balls and he has given 2 balls to his friend. So, how many balls are left? Normally, children do like this. 5 balls. First of all, we'll draw. Now, earlier there were 5 balls. He has given 2 balls to his friend. Now, how many are left? 3. This is one method. Now, come to the second method. Suppose we have to subtract 2 from 5. So, you can do with the help of another method, start backward counting. 2 numbers back from 5. 2 numbers back from 5. 5, then 4 and 3. So, how many balls he has now? He has 3 balls now. But there is one more method. Let's try that method also. 5 minus 2. What will you do? You will start counting from 2 till 5. Start counting, straight counting, not backward counting. From 2 to 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers we have taken out? 3. So what will be the answer? 3. Now Sarang has 3 balls. We have different methods to solve subtraction. Let's take one more example. First of all, we'll write TO. There is a girl named Gurnoor. During rainy season, she made 8 boats. Paper boats. She made 8 paper boats. And out of 8, 3 sank. 3 sank. So how many are left? How many paper boats are left with Gurnoor now? Let's count. Earlier there were 8 paper boats. So out of 8, 3 sank. Put sign of subtraction. Now start subtraction. Yes, you can draw figure, but without figure, as I told you in the third step, we are following that step only. 8 minus 3 means how will you do? You will start counting from 3 till 8. After 3 till 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many boards she has now? 5. What will be the answer? 5. Hope it's clear. Whichever method you find easier, children, you can follow that method. So, what I think this is the best way to do subtraction straight counting. start counting from the second number, like here 8 minus 3. Start counting from 3 till 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have taken 5 fingers. What will be the answer? 5. Hope it's clear. Good.